Hello, my name is Sylvia and welcome to ShapeUp's instructional video. Right now you should have received 2 boxes and as well as a mentor pamphlet. In the pamphlet, please be sure to read everything very closely as your instructions and your agendas for the next 10 weeks will be in the following. Please be sure to look at the contents, table of contents, which is on the first page of the manual. In it, we have the program boxes, the orientation, and the following 10 workshops. Let's begin with looking at the program boxes, which is in the first section of the manual. During the first section of the manual, we have the workshop boxes material list. In the material list, you will see all the contents of both boxes. First, we have box 1. This is our black bag, and in it contains all of the resources that you'll need for the raffles. For example, we have t-shirts and different prizes for both the students and the mentors throughout the next 10 weeks. In box 1, we also have the SOSMentor pamphlets, and these are for your mentors. Please be sure to have them sign their names with a black marker and return them after the end of each section. In box 1, we also have our materials for our activities. We have activities for weeks 1 through 10. However, 1 through 5 activities are repeated in weeks 6 through 10. For example, week 1, we have the food bingo game, which is a compilation of our beans as well as our cups. Let's move on to box 2. In box 2 comprises most of your materials for the program. We have our orientation packets as well as our packets for weeks 1 through 10. Be sure to also note the culmination packets as well as the physical activity handouts, which are supposed to be given to the parents. Our packets are divided by week. First, we have our orientation packet, which consists of the orientation sign-in sheets, the behavioral checklist, the pre and post test, our questionnaires, our activity logs, our calendars, and such. Week 1 has the same, and every workshop has a table of contents and material list at the beginning, first page. Please be sure to note that weeks 5, weeks 9, and week 10 are very different. In week 5, be sure to note that we have a mentor and as well as an orientation certificate handout. For example, at the beginning of the course, you're going to have the students come in and sign a card for the mentors just for an appreciation of them and what they've done for the first 5 weeks. On week 9, we have our workshop evaluations. We will go ahead and hand the flyers out to your students, and they will make sure that they fill out the questionnaires. In week 10, we have our post-test. This is very important that the students fill out it in its entirety because we do need to record all data. Thank you so much for paying attention. If you have any questions, please visit our office, call in, and just come see us. Thank you.